From the makers of INCLY, check online for further details about your product you are purchasing. They make a 278 hook, hanger, and pegboard set. And that's what we have here. We're going to show you how simple it is to hang up on the wall, put some tools on it, and show you what you get inside the box. As we open up the box, we show you what's inside and what you get. We have an instruction guide that we could simply go over and show you what it looks like. The board is wrapped with corner protectors and bubble wrap around the edging. You're given 4 boards. It protects the black polish finish. In the hardware kit are over 1-inch screws, black spacers, and anchors, along with washers. With an optional drill bit and screwdriver, you're going to assemble your product with your screw, washer, and spacer. You're going to pick a spot on your wall and start to hang down. An optional level is needed to adjust the angle. And lock all down. You're going to repeat for the other 3 boards. They're 12 by 12, so they could be put in any way possible. The pegboards can be put vertically, horizontally, single row, 2 rows, and more, depending on the needs of your hardware that you're installing on the wall, with an optional kit of different types of accessories, like so. This is your pegboard bins, pegboard assortments, and optional pegboards. Check online for further details about the kits you are after from INCLY. Enjoy your products if these are right for your needs. Thank you for viewing.